ACE Engineering College with a difference in excellence. Hyderabad, Telangana, code ACEG. Electrical and Electronics Engineering. The Department of Electrical Engineering was established in 2007 with a sanctioned intake of 60 to offer B.Tech course. In its pursuit of the mission, the department invests its efforts continuously in identifying the additional skill empowering programs that not only enhance the employability of the students but also equip them to successfully pursue their career path. The department is in the continuous engagement of the learners by relating the fundamental principles and application of these disciplines and empowering the learners to apply in the laboratories during their practice sessions. The department encourages acquiring real-life oriented subject knowledge so the output of the students forces high probability of employability. The department has a right mix of qualified and experienced self-propelling faculty team that involves proactively in the holistic development of the students. Department of Electrical Engineering is accredited by the National Board of Accreditation in the year 2015.
You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think.
Success doesn't just come and find you. You have to go out and get it. So walk into ACE, get your success.
If you want to become an engineer with values, just think about ACE Engineering College.
ACE Engineering College with a difference in excellence. Code ACEG. Ankushapur, Gatkeshwar Mandal, Mechal District, Telangana 501301. Cell +91 9133 08533. Email aceengg college@gmail.com. Website www.aceec.ac.in.